How to see all the games you have played on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll provide you with a walkthrough on how to discover a comprehensive catalog of games you have engaged with on Roblox. The procedure is efficient and straightforward, so to comment, head over to www.roblox.com or utilize the Roblox desktop application. Ensure that you're using the most up-to-date edition of the application and log into your account on either of these platforms, and upon successful login, the games you have engaged in will be visible on the Continue section, either under Discovery or the Home. If your roster of played games is extensive, simply click on See All at the top to display all the games chronologically, and within the Continue or the See All section, a comprehensive rundown of all the games you have relished on your various Roblox profiles will be available. So I trust that this guide aids you in exploring your Roblox gaming journey. If you found this video beneficial, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for additional tips. Hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for tuning in and showing your support. Until next time.